Hi class, it's Amanda. This is my mnemonic presentation on the Bill of Rights. Um, Pretty much when I'm trying to remember something, there's two ways that help me a lot. The first is funny pictures because they always jog memories in your head. And the second are acronyms, kind of like Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally was when you were in school and did math problems. So I try to incorporate both of those in this to maybe help people remember the amendments better. So the First Amendment is freedom in religion, speech, and the press. So that gives everybody freedom to say what they want to say, to um, practice their religion, things like that. The Second Amendment says everyone can own guns with no disruption. Even if you don't know how to use a gun, you can own one. That's part of the Bill of Rights. The Third Amendment is thou shalt not harbor soldiers in residence unless desired. And this came about from long ago whenever soldiers would hide out in people's homes, things like that. And I thought that cat was funny, trying to hide in the ceiling. The Fourth Amendment is for protection of unreasonable searches or restraint to homes or people. So basically, unreasonable search and seizures, they can't just bust down your door with no reason. The Fifth Amendment is fending for individuals' rights, freedom, and their property honestly. Basically, due process, and everybody's heard, I plead the fifth. The Sixth Amendment is speedy indictment expected. Everyone has the right to a fair and speedy trial. The Seventh Amendment is speedy trial for everyone via jury, even non-criminal law. So even in civil cases, everyone has a right to a speedy trial. The Eighth Amendment is excessive bail, including fines, and granting harsh punishments to be prohibited. And that's basically protecting you against cruel and unusual punishment. The Ninth Amendment is not interpreted to refuse nor degrade the people's honor. It is basically giving you rights that are not um, specifically named in the Bill of Rights. And the 10th Amendment says the powers enacted not by the Constitution have been given to the people. That's basically any power that hasn't been given to the government. The states and the people have power over those. It's kind of hard to explain, but that's the easiest way I found to explain it. And I hope you enjoyed my presentation.